There's onions, garlic, scallions, green onions, ginger, tomato paste, hot dog, chicken thighs, boneless, and this is short ribs. So first, we're gonna put the onions. In Palau, you say, "Omesaigang." Siliblar todo o sa ele ngiya sekman, sekman. So we're gonna put garlic, let it caramelize. Put a little bit of green onion just for the flavor right there. For me, I usually put ginger. I cut it like these pieces. You smell something good, it's ready. Whisk it. A hot dog right there. Short ribs beef. Hey, welcome back. Hope you guys have a great day and let me know what you're cooking. Comment below. This is cornstarch. I mix it with cold water, so let it dissolve like that. And get you guys a strainer. I'm gonna use a strainer. The purpose of this cornstarch, you want that sauce to be thick, thick sauce. Use a strainer. So right there. Look at that. I put a little bit of this one. I put a tomato paste. I also use the Worcester sauce. Garlic is always good. Smells good. Tastes good. We gotta put some Kikoman. My mouth is watering right now, guys. So once you make this, ooh, I'll put all the ingredients in the link so you can cook at home. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below. Now, as you can see here, we're making a potato salad. See, that's potatoes, eggs. I put like 7 eggs on it, and put a little bit of green onions, mayo, paprika, whatever you want to put it on. If it tastes good, and there you have it.